Oh, 1050.
50.
Oh, 1050, he's over the rail. He's over the rail.
And then I've got the special carbine, holographic sight, armor piercing rounds, flashlight grip. You know how it be. So that you know
Is that
when
government issued?
Yes.
Ow.
Let's just say I had. Let's just say the wife. I just had to let the governor borrow the wife for an.
Okay, here we go. Welcome back. Let's get it. I need to get on the radio, huh?
69.
But
okay.
if I don't see that in the video, I'm gonna be upset as shit, dude.
Well,
I love how you
now
opened
you're
up
gonna
your
see
fucking
this just
video
because.
with Billy going quack.
Oh my god, yes. You
You're
stupid
welcome.
little quack.
What?
Oh no, you're recording.
You're a little bit.
It's about to start with a quack all over
I
again.
hate all of you. It's like you hate me or something. God damn it. Alright. Let's go. There we go. Or like a 20. Is someone running code?
01. That's gonna be me. I'm about to initiate a 10-11 once the turn signal light is green. And you're supposed to win 206.
10-4.
I'm gonna have a unit and a challenger if he can identify himself.
Hey, Billy.
You should go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Jesus Christ, Billy, is there not a traffic cone like a e-traffic?
There is. Alright, pull over, fucking shit lips. Ah. Okay. Can I have a unit block off the other side of the alleyway, just in case?
Which side? The side towards the auto shop, or
The sign that's on the same side as PDM, because we pulled him over on the ammunition side.
copy? Copy. I'm here.
Thank you.
I don't want to sit anymore, boys.
Hey, 4 Lincoln 20, I think you want to get up here. You're going to have a ball with this one. So I'm...
Or like in 20, I'm on scene. Good. Yeah, what's
pull
up?
this guy over, right?
Huh?
He has a... He's an animator. He's running late for an anime convention at Maze Bank, apparently. And you gotta listen to his voice for yourself, dude.
Okay.
I'm guessing you like watching 30s. Go at it
Who
together.
are you to question me, you fucking
sir.
loser?
Captain Ahmood.
Hey, sir, can I get your license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
I do not have to give anything to you, Mr. Incel.
Actually, you do, and call me an incel one more time, and I will insert a taser prong.
Are you gonna say peen? Oh, okay.
What the fuck is this
What in
goddamn
the fuck
immigrant
is
talking
this?
about?
Excuse you.
This immigrant, Jesus, Captain Hamoud is not an immigrant.
What is
I'm rolling up
going
my windows
on?
now, you fucking incel.
Sir, don't roll
better
your
not.
windows down, please. Hey, listen.
do me a favor.
Listen, it's
Hey.
Officer Brush with those. Okay. Well,
Hey,
I
fat
tried.
ass.
Hey, why do you
Alright,
have
I
a
know.
pump? Why do you have a pump hanging out of your car? Here.
Don't
hey.
worry about that.
Hey, buddy, roll down the windows.
Hey.
Unless you want me to roll down the window. You want me to roll down the windows for you? Here, I got you.
I will defend
Oh.
myself.
Here you go.
He took a right as soon as you go out. He took a right. Took a right. Go, go, go.
I got him. Oh, Jesus.
We're gonna be south Elgin Avenue, passing the strip mall right now. Sorry, the strip club. He is taking a ride on new Strawberry Avenue, headed towards Grove. Did you see where he went, Tahoe?
Negative.
Jesus.
Said something about Maze Bank Arena.
Copy.
Yeah, there's some sort of anime convention. Myself and 4 Lincoln 20 are searching the parking lot of the Maze Bank Arena.
Yeah, south side's clear. I'm gonna park up into this corner, black out, see if he maybe comes back.
I have him.
Copy.
We're gonna be on Davis. We're gonna be right next to LTD. Passing Mosley's. Taking a left past Mosley's. We're gonna be on opposite lanes. He's gonna be going back past Mosley's again. We're gonna be on Strawberry. He's gonna be heading back toward Maze Bank Arena. He's gonna be making a left. He's gonna be going into Maze Bank. Gonna left out of Maze Bank. Left. Going down, he's gonna be going into like the parking lot area. We're gonna be getting the exit. Yep, took the exit. Passing the tow truck area. Going, making a
4 Lincoln
left.
20. I'm secondary. I can take call outs if I
Can you please?
Copy. We're gonna be headed Exceptionist way, southbound into the airport.
Empty.
Wrong way of traffic right now. He's gonna be going up the second level, wrong way of traffic, especially New Empire, right in front of the airport. Continuing wrong way of traffic on the second level. It's gonna be a purple 2-door vet. Oh, 1050.
50.
Oh, 1050, he's over the rail. He's over the rail. We got no eyes. He went over. Ah, you bitch.
He's inside the airport, correct?
Negative. He was on the roundabout around the outside. He was on the top, but then got knocked down to the bottom right at the beginning. Gonna be towards the east side. We lost eyes.
He's on the runway in LSIA.
Yeah, copy.
I'm currently in LSIA. Gotta get him off the runway before a plane tries to land.
4 Lincoln 20. I'm entering right now.
2 Lincoln 01, I'm on.
I've got him. He is heading down southbound runway 1. He's making a left. Stand by and barely see him. Still runway 1, apparently postal 93.
Yeah, yep, copy. He's continuing. He just passed me. Looks like he's looping around, making a left. He's looping around. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Passing.
lights for a brief moment. I'm right on his ass. Brakes, he's braking. He's leaving Atlanta. Opposite lanes.
Is he continuing?
We're by the Exceptionalist Way, eastbound postal 82. He's coming to a dead end.
Fuck. Alright, cut.
He's in the water! Move!
20s. Shit.
85.
Copy.
In the water. He's swimming!
Copy. Fuck. I should've just stayed on it. Should've just stayed on it. Fuck. 20, still got him?
85. He's in the water.
23. Oh! Okay, guess we're going that way. But
Oh, I see him behind you. Fire, shots fired, 1099. Suspect down.
ow!
We got one officer. Oh, never mind, he's up.
Son of a bitch.
Fuck!
I'm not in the water anymore now. I'm right here next to fucking his car.
Ah, you fat son of a bitch!
Can't get fucked by it. I gotta give
Oh, you whore!
Excuse me.
Excuse me. What? That's.
Ah!
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah, mate.
You bitch! Poor Lincoln 20M tonight. Oh my god. Are you on crack? What is your problem?
Please don't hit my car. I just fucking got the perfect amount of fuel.
God damn it.
You little
Excuse me.
2 Lincoln 02, maybe a 1011 postal 226 Poplar Street.
You don't think I won't just keep driving?
Postal, please.
Share 32 Lincoln 2. You can disregard that 1011.
Oh, no.
That's an honor.
With who?
With myself and with permission of the sheriff.
And you are.
Where's all this radio traffic?
Deputy Clay.
Oh,
with
fuck, I'm not on
Blank
radio.
Eye Sheriff's.
Then why'd you say myself and somebody else?
Because
What is this radio traffic?
let him go. Because he's disregard
No.
the 1011.
Absolutely not. That's not how things work around here.
What's the 20 of that 1011?
226.
I'm your superior, bitch. Get the fuck behind me.
I'll get behind you. Get out of the car. Yeah. Walk up there. There you go.
What you think this is, Baghdad? You don't get to cut me off.
Shit.
It's cold. I just want your license, registration, proof of insurance.
I gave
You
it
You
to
two
you,
knock it off. What?
Captain.
Stop
I
fucking
gave
around,
it to you.
dipshits. I'm sorry. My eyes are all squeaking. All right, I'll be right back with you.
Hello. Oh, I gotta pick my hat up. There we go. Hello.
Oh, hello, happy holidays.
Happy holidays. It's Officer Brush with the Los Santos Police Department. How you doing today, man?
I'm doing just dandy.
Oh, what did he pull you over, if you don't mind me asking?
Apparently he's speeding, but he doesn't understand. He doesn't understand, officer. I'm about to do something grand.
Oh, something grand. Okay. What is your something grand that you're planning?
Oh, I can't. People don't understand. So I just don't tell them.
Oh. Okay. All right. Well, I'm sure it won't take long. We got your name. So like I said, my name's Officer Brush. Just so I know who I'm talking to.
My name's Jonathan Clay. I work with the Blaine County Sheriff's Office.
All right. You don't mind if I call you Jonathan, right?
No, of course not.
All right, Jonathan. All right. Well, like I said, it shouldn't be long as everything comes back clean and clear. I don't see why he won't let you out of here today.
Just hand that to me.
To Lincoln 02, we're gonna have nothing coming back
Also,
on name
check your ass.
Jonathan Clay in the system.
Alright.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey man, are you from around here?
Yeah, I've been living here my whole life. I work with the Blaine County Sheriff's Office.
Okay, so
I know the sheriff personally.
Gotcha. The reason is the name isn't coming back in our system, he said. So I was wondering.
That doesn't sound right now, does it?
Well, here, you can have a word with him.
Mr. Clay,
Hello, Captain.
why is this paper all scribbled?
That's my identification.
Why is there scribbles all over it?
Because it's my identification.
I'm not gonna. Why is there scribbles all over it? Did you do this?
Listen, you
gun
don't
he's got there.
understand the things I had to do.
Again.
Am I good to go?
No, absolutely not.
Yes, perfect.
Oh,
This
okay.
fucker.
He's running.
No, I'm not. I'm not running.
He's on the goddamn radio.
Olympic Freeway. Westbound.
Where'd he go?
Be advised, he's all over the road. We're still westbound Olympic Freeway.
Okay.
I'm gonna take an off ramp. Gonna be like kind of flipping a little bit night. Gonna be still on Olympic Freeway. Now we're gonna be on Reporter Freeway.
That trailer is gonna detach eventually. That thing is fish down like a motherfucker.
Yeah. Secondary take calls.
Taking a left exit onto Del Perro Freeway.
You guys are making a grave mistake. I'm just trying to do
Westbound Del
something.
Perro Freeway. We're now going into the tunnel at Del Perro Freeway. Trailer's been detached.
There it is.
Get the tow truck for that.
1050.
1050. Be advised, any units behind, there is a trailer in the middle of the road in the tunnel. He's flipping back around, coming back through the tunnel.
Oh! He missed.
Oncoming lanes, eastbound Del Perro Freeway and westbound lanes. Correction, he's now back in the correct lanes.
This
We're
motherfucker.
off-roading. Went out of the tunnel to the right. Now southbound Decker Street. Move out of the way, bitch.
50. Mr. Clay, we're asking you to
I
pull
see him.
over,
I
please.
see him. I see him. I see him. I see
You
him.
don't understand.
We're over by the helipad. 1050 with a vehicle. Oh, he's ramming me.
Just get out of my way. Let me do this.
Absolutely not.
All over, Mr.
All
Clyde.
right, we're with it. We're with it. Let's go.
You don't understand what he did to me.
What is that? What?
Mr.
How
Clay,
is he
I
on
was-
our radio?
Mr. Clay, I was there when we found you in that cabin.
What is he? 1050. He's
Oh wait, this is this guy? Come on.
I'm scared, man.
Mr. Clay, just
this
stop.
guy.
Stop. We can talk about it.
Oh my
rolled.
god!
He's box. Box, 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 box.
I don't leave. Step out of the vehicle now.
You don't understand.
Taser, taser, taser.
Mr. Clay, get up. Where the fuck are your legs?
I got less lethal.
Hands.
Suspect hands. Hold fire. 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 Hold fire.
No.
Hold fire.
I'm gonna check his pulse. Yeah, he's fucking heavy wounds. A lot of GS.
Come on, let's roll.
You got the gun?
Jesus.
Grab that gun. Get that gun.
Move the
Perfect.
fuck on.
He's
Alright. You got him? What?
No, no.
Oh.
And there goes our funding.
Okay.
Where's his legs? You know what? That's Lisa my concern.
Yeah.
how the fuck was he running?
I don't know. Alright, I got cars.
Move out the way, you dumb bitch.
Jesus. Oh shit. Poor Lincoln 20, can I get county tow stage to my location?
You're blocking my
Jesus.
way and my G, asshole.
Pulse is slowly fading.
Oh no, go ahead, do it again. Do it again. Oh, this is admin abuse. It's admin abuse. This is admin. You're abusing your power. You're power hungry. This is abuse, sir.